Here's my Duralast, or Duracraft, pardon me. Duralast doesn't last for shit. My Duracraft evaporative humidifier. Simple, just on off, one speed. Put water in here, a filter. Yes, there is pink stuff in that filter. That's for my nose. The blades are a little dirty. It uses I think a single phase motor. It's a little low on water. It's simple. It takes 110 volts AC. And it's evaporative humidifier. You can move the grill. Listen to how quiet that is. Now, I know UXW Bill, he has an ultrasonic humidifier. Oh look, the grill comes off. So you can clean the blades. A little dirty. UXW Bill, he has an ultrasonic humidifier. He told me the other day. Yours may be quiet, but mine, you know when it's working when you can hear it. So there we go, there's my humidifier.